How many times have you ordered a turkey burger at a restaurant only for it to arrive at your table bland and dry? Well, no more. I'm Sarah Beth in the Urban Accents kitchen, and I'm going to show you how to make a super tempting restaurant quality tomato basil turkey burger at home in just a few easy steps. This fast, easy recipe makes 4 perfectly seasoned turkey burger patties. The recipe is inspired by a classic Italian Caprese salad. Our seasoning will season the turkey with basil and garlic and just a little bit of chili pepper. For this recipe, you will need 1 pound of ground turkey. We highly recommend using 85% lean. That little bit of extra fat is going to give you a lot of extra flavor. You'll also need the full 1 ounce package of our seasoning mix, fresh basil leaves, sliced tomatoes, and mozzarella. And then of course you'll need some hamburger buns. We like ciabatta buns for that little bit of extra texture. The first thing we'll do is make our patties. I'm gonna take the seasoning and reserve 1 tablespoon to season our veggies later. The remaining seasoning will go into the turkey. Now we'll use our hands to lightly incorporate the seasoning into the ground turkey. Just lightly folding it in until it is evenly incorporated. Now we're gonna make 4 even patties. Because it is December in Chicago, we are using our indoor countertop grill. It's been about 7 minutes and we're gonna flip these burgers. You can see that they're ready. They've plumped up a little and they've shrunken just a bit. Once they're flipped, I'm gonna add the mozzarella cheese onto each patty. I want that to get nice and soft and melty. It's been about 7 minutes on the second side, and I'm going to check the temperature of the patty. I want it to be right at 165. Perfect. Time to build our tomato basil turkey burger. I'm gonna start with a lightly toasted ciabatta bun. I'm gonna go right in here with this big juicy turkey patty. Then I'm going to layer on a little tomato. So that tablespoon of seasoning that we reserved earlier, I'm gonna use that to season. Then a generous layer of fresh basil leaves. We like to finish this off with some balsamic glaze. This burger is massive, so I'm gonna cut it in half. Oh, it's so beautiful. Turkey is the perfect base for this seasoning. It really lets all the flavors shine. It's really bold with garlic and it's herby. There's a bright kick of citrus, a little bit of heat from the chili pepper, and it all goes so nicely with the fresh tomato and basil. Yum. If you loved this burger, you should definitely try the rest of our burger blends. For this recipe and more, visit urbanaccents.com. We've got your back in the kitchen.